morning everyone, and welcome to a new video. I really wanted to do more of like a chatty, get ready with me for spring, organize my wardrobe type of video. I had actually already started the process of getting our room just ready and freshened up for spring, so I thought I would just share the rest of the process with you and just kind of make this more of like a chatty, spring inspired video. I'm also going to do a mini wardrobe tour. I personally love watching these types of videos because I get so many ideas from how other people style their wardrobes and organize their wardrobes, so I thought it might be helpful. I thought I would quickly just share with you my little outfit of the day. I decided to wear this dress because I wanted to get myself into the mindset of spring, so I thought putting on a pretty pink spring dress would be fun. This is the Love Shack Fancy Heritage Collection, but it's in their pink flamingo color. It's so pretty, and I actually got this at a sample sale. If you guys have ever heard of 260 sample sale, they do sample sales with brands and they sell them at very, very good prices. I'll leave that linked below my description box if you've ever heard of that. So that is my outfit of the day. I love this dress. It is such a girly kind of get me into the mindset of spring. So let me just go ahead and give you a whole tour of my closet area. Bedroom on this side, and then over here we have my whole built-in wardrobe that my husband and I put this together. I still need to get this fixed up here. I got that wrong, but we'll get that fixed. So I actually recently changed this wall up and put these little hats up here. I think it is such a cute look. I actually used to have my mirror right here, but I think this is a much better use of space. So I recently added this rug from Wayfair, and I think it does so much to kind of break the space up a little bit. It almost reminds me of like Bridgerton vibes a little bit, and I'm here for it. I love it. I love for things to be very aesthetic. It just makes me really happy and feel very calm in this room. Basically, what we have right here are all of my dresses, and I tried to kind of color coordinate them how it works for me, and I've actually already gone through all the pieces and gotten rid of items I feel like I don't wear anymore. And then here we have a couple skirts. I love linen pants, so I have some linen pants hung up. I have some heavier sweaters up here, which I know won't be reaching for as much come warmer spring and into summer, but I still wanted to have them. I think they look really pretty up there. As you can see, right up here are my most reached for sweaters and cardigans. I am a cardigan girl. I love layering a cardigan, and recently I ended up getting this stool from Amazon. It's so cute. I love this little bubble situation going on with the legs. I think it's really cute. But I recently got that so that it's easy for me to get up to these pieces, and the reason they're so messy is because I didn't have a stool to get up there and I was just kind of throwing them up there. So that is something I recently purchased just to kind of make it a little bit more functional. And then down here I keep my little aesthetic handbag display. These are basically my favorite colors. This is actually a new addition to my wardrobe that I'm going to talk about a little bit more in my next video. I'm going to be styling this with a lot of like really pretty ultra feminine outfits, so I'm really excited about that. And I've been loving this bag. This is so beautiful. This is an iconic handbag for me. This is my Kate Spade quilted light pink. It's in the perfect shade of pink. It is so pretty. And then this is where I like to do like a little shoe display that correlates with the season. I do have to change this up today. I was going to bring out some more spring style shoes that I think would look really pretty here. These are actually two new pairs of shoes that I just recently got for spring and summer that I'm gonna put in that little display. This pair I actually ended up thrifting off of Poshmark, and I am so excited about them. I really like just the easy slip-on. And then these, oh my goodness, these are just stunning. These again are Dolce Vita, but Revolve had them at like half the price. I am so excited to wear these. Actually, let me just try these on for you really quick because they're just too pretty not to show you what they look like. They're just going to work really, really well with my wardrobe. They actually even look really cute with this dress. But with my maxi dresses and even just linen pants and everything, they're going to look really, really pretty. Up here, I'm kind of scared to open up this drawer. Up here is where I keep a lot of my tank tops and yeah, things like that. Things that I style underneath my dresses and stuff. And then in here, this is my sweatshirts. These are all the sweatshirts that I own. And then this is all my activewear. I wear these like every day. I do exercises in my room, and yeah, they get a lot of wear. And then down here, this is where I keep my white pants, and then I have one pair of black pants that I keep in here. I actually reach for this drawer more than these jeans right now. These like light colored jeans are really pretty, but some of these I don't fit into quite yet. I'm almost there, but yeah, I don't wear a lot of these as much as I used to. I've definitely gravitated towards more of these white style of jeans, and I love all of these. These are so comfortable and really nice for like every day. That is this section of the wardrobe, and then over here I actually went through all of my shirts and pulled out a lot of my more heavier pieces that I like to wear in winter. I wear white tops like nothing else. I pretty much wear them almost every day. I have a couple sweaters, some cardigans, yeah, just some like nice, easy to wear tops. Over here, I have my linen shorts. These are from J. Crew. I actually thrifted these off of ThredUp, and they are so pretty. These are from Goelia. These are like really, really nice, thick material, and they have like a really pretty pleated waist up here. I think is so flattering. They almost kind of give Zimmerman vibes, which actually this pair is from Zimmerman. These are thrifted off of the Real, and they have like that really nice high waist that I am so excited to start wearing again. I almost fit back into those. These are clean, they just have stains on them. I like to paint and do like home projects in these, so I actually need to move those to my drawer. These were from TJ Maxx. They're actually Love Shack Fancy shorts, and I found these at my TJ Maxx. Another pair of Zimmerman shorts that I thrifted. I cannot wait to wear these. I have a couple handbags down here, and then I have my linen blazers and jackets, things like that down here, just for like layering type of thing. I actually, oh my goodness, I've been talking about this forever. I have wanted a linen vest forever, and I found one at Gap. I'm thinking this with like linen trousers with a really pretty like romantic beach hat or something. Maybe this one right there. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. I couldn't believe I found this on Gap. So that is what that section is down there. And then these drawers, oh, actually let me share these. These are actually new. I picked these up at my TJ Maxx, and I just loved the little scallop style that was up here. So I thought it would be cute to just style like my sunglasses. In here I have like a little accessory thing in there. Yeah, just like my sunglasses. And then my belts, I decided to store in here. These are all of my really nice fun belts that I like to style over cardigans and things like that. I've had these forever. These are those Love Shack Fancy belts that are just so pretty. This is like a Cezanne inspired Raffia belt. I really love my little belts collection, and I love wearing them with my dresses, oversized like tunic tops and cardigans and stuff like that. Oh, did I get up here? I have my handbags, one other hat back there, and then the last thing would be my shoes, which are down here. This is where I keep all of my shoes. I found these like shoe storage where you can just stack the shoes on top of each other, and I feel like it works really, really well. And then this is just the last little corner that I have in my room that's kind of like fashion related. It's this little stool right here, or like side table, and I found these like really pretty pink flowers at TJ Maxx, and I thought it was just the prettiest little flower bouquet. And this is a vase that I thrifted, and then I actually won this chair off of an Instagram giveaway, which is really funny. But I need to find like a cute pillow to put here. And then I recently installed these like little hooks so that I can put my like everyday little handbags, and then a straw hat, and just like a really nice little cape that I'll sometimes throw on when I'm in the house. I love the colors on this cape, and just it's really nice and light. It's nice to be able to throw on sometimes. I've already decluttered and gotten out the things that I don't feel like I wear anymore. But I still just need to get this little section cleaned up, get my shoe display, organize these drawers a little bit, and then I feel like I'll be in a good place. But that's my little mini wardrobe tour, so let's go ahead and get right into finishing up the closet and getting it all ready for spring. I do have this like really pretty bright pink pair. Do something like maybe this. I don't know. I think this is too bright. I think I want to keep it kind of simple, so I think I'm going to do maybe this. I kind of want to do like a little floral display. Maybe something like this. I'm trying to get like a cute floral display in here, especially since it's spring. So I moved the flowers from the table over to here, and I'm thinking about just keeping the shoes just simple. These ones are the ones I'm like the most excited to wear this spring, so I thought it would be fun to kind of display those. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving and go on to organizing these sweaters up here. This is a sweater I thrifted off of ThredUp, and it's just like an oversized Longline sweater. And then this is a sweater I wear a lot. This is from Abercrombie, but the material is just getting really, really worn. I have these little tools from Amazon that like clean up those threads and everything, but it takes me so long to clean these up. I am thinking I might need to declutter this at some point. This has been such a good sweater for me this past fall and winter. It hasn't held up very well, which I was so disappointed about because I really, really love this, but I might have to find something to replace this. I'm still gonna try and get a little bit more wear from this. So the cardigan ended up going on. It's just a little bit chilly still out, and I'm just feeling extra cozy at the moment. So this is kind of what we've got so far. Let me know what you all think about this. I feel like I need to do something a little bit more styled. I feel like it's simple is sometimes good, and I still feel like these are kind of drooping over a little bit. I don't know. I'll play around with this a little bit more and maybe get back to you on that. I just went ahead and got these all organized and cleared out. I decided not to declutter this just yet. That is all of my cardigans organized, and I still reach for all of these. It still is really chilly in the spring and summer sometimes. So next up, I'm just going to get these drawers a little bit more organized and looking pretty. And then maybe I'll share with you a couple new things that I've added to my wardrobe. This is my most worn workout set, and they're from the brand Pop Flex. They are so comfortable. This is like their little skirt, and then I ended up purchasing this really cute like ruffly sports bra to wear with it. These were very, very comfortable to work out in, and I still love and wear them. Right, so all of these drawers are looking much better. I already feel so much more prepared and ready for spring. I love these little flowers. I think they turned out really, really cute. I need some inspiration on how I could style this little section right here. I still think it looks really pretty and simple, and sometimes I tend to really like that look. There is one piece that I recently added to my wardrobe, and it was this piece. This is actually from Gap. again. It is that Gap and Doen collab that they did. I think they did it like last year, but they still had some pieces in stock. It has this really pretty eyelet detail that is very expensive looking, and you can get like a little bow in the front. Yeah, I'm so excited about it. It is really, really pretty. It does have a little bit of that drop waist. And I'm mentioning it because they might still have it in stock. I'm not sure, but if they don't, I'll link something similar to this because I think it's really, really pretty and such a perfect spring dress staple. Put this back over here. So one other thing that I did also add to my wardrobe was this linen blazer. Probably not how I'll style it, but it's just like a really nice layering linen blazer. I still need to get it like steamed and everything, but yeah, I was really excited about this because I was looking for something like this, to just like a simple one. I have a really pretty floral one that looks really nice with dresses and wide leg pants, but I just wanted like a looser style one that I could throw on top of anything and still feel like really put together and styled. So guys, that is everything that I wanted to share with you in this video today. It has been a very chatty video. I hope you don't mind. I just wanted to quickly show you what I've been kind of doing. The next video that I have coming out is going to be so much fun. It's just a lot of spring outfit inspiration and styling ideas. I wanted to get this video out first because I've been all things in the mood for organization, freshen up for spring and everything. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very, very soon in my next video. Bye.